everybody, I'm coming to you this week from the neighborhood cottage, and I'm just heating up my barbecue to roast off some beautiful Ontario shepherd peppers. Come on up and have a look at what I'm doing and I'll tell you all about it. I've got some beautiful red shepherd sweet peppers here today, which are very much available at this time of year in September. Here in Ontario, in this part of the country, they're beautiful seasonal peppers. They're sweet. And what I'm doing is I'm grilling them on the barbecue on high heat. I did have the lid closed and I just opened it up now to show you. So basically I'm just going to keep turning them until the skin is nicely charred, just like that. Okay, so if I was using those today, I would cool them off, peel off all the skin, take out the core and the seeds, rip them into small strips, and then season them with sea salt and a little bit of a really good quality extra virgin olive oil. But what I wanted to tell you about is because they're so available right now, these peppers, they're great to freeze. So what you can do is buy a basket at your farmer's market or even a bushel if you're really ambitious. Wash them up just under cool running water, then get them out on the grill, do as we're showing you here today. And then the trick is not to peel them. So you want to let them cool off in a bowl, let the juices collect in there as well. Once they've cooled off, just pop them in a zip-top bag along with some of the juices and pop them in the freezer. Then this winter, when you're ready to enjoy these as a lovely side dish or with some roasted Italian sausage or even maybe with some little roast potatoes, roasted peppers are awesome. So when you want to enjoy them this winter, all you do is let them thaw, take them out of the bag, peel them then, and take out the core and the seeds, rip them in strips, season them, and again with some beautiful extra virgin olive oil. So the reason I leave the skin on is the skin actually serves as a little protector while they're in the freezer. Okay, I've got the last ones off. Let's go inside and I'll show you exactly how to preserve these. They smell amazing. Your neighbors are going to be so jealous when they smell these wonderful peppers. Okay, we're back inside. Once these are fully cooled off, what you want to do is you want to get a nice, thick, zip-top freezer bag. I like to use the medium size, and I'll put about 2 in each bag. Okay, and there may be a little bit of juice being released, and then what you're going to do is you're going to release all the air out of this, get it all out, seal it up, and you're going to pop those in the freezer, and basically you can enjoy them throughout the rest of the year. I hope this inspires you to get some beautiful shepherd peppers and preserve them for the winter. Roasted peppers are one of my favorite things. We'll see you in the Q&A.